I didn't really like it there. Yeah, I always resented my parents for moving us back there because there wasn't a big Jewish community there. I mean, it was nice what we had, and I liked the adults that were in the Jewish community. I had many great teachers. I had a wonderful time, but yeah, I don't know. It was just like there wasn't. I was the only Jewish kid at my school, and so I'd get asked questions like I'd get made, not necessarily, yeah, sometimes I'd get made fun of, but that wasn't a big deal. Everyone gets made fun of for various things, but like it wasn't really like, I never experienced direct anti-Semitism, like, oh my God, I hate you because you're a Jew, but I just had people like make assumptions that would hurt my feelings. Like someone said to me once, like, oh, you're Jewish? Oh, you'll go to hell if you drink eggnog, right? Like where does that even come from? Just, I don't know, but yeah, it was okay. Yeah, it was okay. So I mean, I didn't really feel like my Jewish identity developed much there, except for the fact that I was the poster Jewish child, if that makes any sense. Like it was something abnormal.